So hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we're gonna try a new concept, like not a new concept like another series, but this is gonna be a new app we're gonna start with, and I think that this is gonna be the biggest project ever done on the channel. So now we're gonna make an app which is known as the, like, you can say it as an invitation maker app or something like that, but I would say that it is like kind of an in the app you would see that there is something like kind of an like name and place and all the venue, and also like moreover it is an invitation maker app, and I have very good ideas for that. So let's begin with it, and I'll try my best to make this app the best, and I would have my pleasure in giving you pleasure. So let's begin with the biggest series ever on the channel. So we are in my app lab finally, and let's start with the project. So first we are gonna go over here in design, and we are gonna design this, which is, I think so it should start with this, and then after that the color is okay, and then we are gonna go ahead and like and images. And now I am looking for something like if I have to like put this on my like mm, see, if I would uh like publish it on the Play Store, then I will surely do that, but I think so that my work will be done by this only. So um what should be a name? It should be like kind of peppy. So invitation maker. So let me just open the notepad, and it should be in, and then it is, see, so we are talking about invitation maker. Okay. So now we have to make a name out of it. So let's first of all go over here. I'll just close the camera for just a second. Yes, so now we are gonna start making with our app. So here is the first font. First, first, first code, uh, first coding. So first should be normal. Okay, so normal. Here it begins. Name. Uh, and um, and then it's all the paragraph which we have to write. I'm sorry for the inconvenience, guys, it's just vanished. So as you can see, I've made these normal 1 and normal 2, which is what we I explained over here in this. So like this only. So now we just have to code it, which is very super duper easy. So now we're gonna start with it. So on event, and I'm gonna like provide with a photo picture in the style and unique, because normal is just normal, and I just got, I remember one thing. Normal 2, the first one I have to go and uh, uh, distance, Georgia. Proceed as it. So now let's go. It's the coding of this is very super duper easy. So this is text input one. So on event when 10 when on event when text input one text input one uh, input, then we just have to do one thing, that is set text, nothing else. This set text is only in this set text with on to, name and get text area input one. Okay, so but first I just forgot one thing, that I have to do screen one, then what's on screen two. Okay, so first of all I just have to continue with this. So first of all, yes, so now we are gonna put female voiceover or instrumental. Is the instrumental would do good. Yes. There aren't any good sounds over here, that's the main problem. Some background. I like this one. So the button one click, then this button one. Okay, afterwards I'm going to just design a new button. So set this. So text input one, and then let's see if it works first of all. Yes, so I'm just gonna do really fast, like complete it all. Number one, receiver. Receiver. Event. So input, then set text, label as it's yes. Okay, so one thing went wrong, which is then and just the last step to complete with the normal is only when it is clicked, then sets a normal to. Now let's see if it works or not. Normally, this can't do it like really fast. Oh. Okay, I see it worked. So yes, it worked. Hell yes. So guys, as you saw that we coded for normal today for the invitation maker app, and it was totally good. The output came very nice, and I have all the codes and everything in my mind right now for style and unique. And after this works, I will share the uh, review of my father with you guys, and then he's gonna tell if we are going to post this or like post this on I think so apps for Play Store, because I think so personally this app is very good and it should be used. But first of all, my father will if only approve, then only, or else I won't. And so thank you for watching this video. I would appreciate if you would like and share and subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.